Understanding your menstrual cycle is key when you're trying for a baby. It might seem complicated, but it's really quite amazing. This natural process prepares your body for a potential pregnancy each month. By understanding how it all works, you can increase your chances of getting pregnant. It all boils down to timing. There are specific days in your cycle when you're most fertile. That means you're most likely to conceive. We'll explore these phases and pinpoint those magical days. Don't worry if you don't have a perfect 28-day cycle. Many women don't. We'll discuss how to track your individual cycle and figure out your most fertile time. Knowledge is power, even when it comes to your body. Let's break down your menstrual cycle into 4 main phases. Imagine it like the seasons, each with its own purpose. 1. Menstrual phase. This is the start of your cycle, marked by your period. Your body sheds the lining of your uterus if you're not pregnant. This phase usually lasts about 3 to 7 days. 2. Follicular phase. This phase overlaps with your period and continues until ovulation. Your brain sends signals to your ovaries, prompting the development of several follicles. Each follicle contains an egg. Estrogen levels rise, thickening the uterine lining to prepare for a potential pregnancy. 3. Ovulation phase. This is the exciting part. Around the middle of your cycle, a surge in hormones triggers the release of a mature egg from one of your ovaries. This is ovulation, and it's your most fertile time. The egg hangs out in your fallopian tube, waiting for a sperm to come along. 4. Luteal phase. After ovulation, the follicle that released the egg transforms into something called the corpus luteum. This structure releases progesterone, a hormone that helps maintain a potential pregnancy. If the egg isn't fertilized, the corpus luteum breaks down, hormone levels drop, and your period begins, starting the cycle anew. Now for the million-dollar question, when is the best time to have sex when you're trying to conceive? The answer lies in understanding your fertile window. Your fertile window spans about 6 days each cycle. It includes the 5 days leading up to ovulation, plus the day of ovulation itself. Why? Because sperm can survive inside your body for up to 5 days. So if you have sex a few days before ovulation, those little swimmers can be waiting when the egg arrives. The day of ovulation is your most fertile day, but don't put all your eggs in one basket. Pun intended. Having sex in the days leading up to ovulation increases your chances. Think of it as maximizing your opportunities. Section 4. Finding your fertile window. Okay, so how do you pinpoint your own fertile window? There are a few methods you can use. If you have a regular 28-day cycle, ovulation typically occurs around day 14. But remember, not all cycles are created equal. If your cycle is longer or shorter, you can estimate your ovulation day. Simply subtract 14 days from the length of your cycle. For example, if you have a 30-day cycle, ovulation would likely occur around day 16. Your body provides some helpful clues too. Pay attention to your cervical mucus. As you approach ovulation, it becomes clear, slippery, and stretchy, resembling raw egg whites. This fertile mucus helps sperm travel to meet the egg. Another indicator is your basal body temperature, or BBT. Your BBT rises slightly after ovulation. By tracking your BBT daily, you can identify the temperature shift and pinpoint your ovulation day. There are even apps and devices that can help with this. Section 5. Boosting your chances. Now that you're a cycle tracking pro, let's talk about maximizing your chances of getting pregnant. Timing is crucial, but there are other things you can do too. During your fertile window, aim to have sex every other day. This helps ensure a fresh supply of sperm is available when you ovulate. And remember, quality matters. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can boost both male and female fertility. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and manage stress. These factors all play a role in reproductive health. It's also a good idea to limit alcohol and caffeine intake, and of course quit smoking. If you've been trying to conceive for a while without success, don't despair. It's more common than you might think. Talk to your doctor. They can assess your situation, offer guidance, and recommend any necessary tests or treatments. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding your menstrual cycle and taking proactive steps, you're giving yourself the best possible chance of conceiving. Good luck on your journey.